equals this skilled crew flies extremely close to a Silkway 4747 freighter during an air-to-air video shoot. Watch the Royal Air Force Red Arrows fly in formation, with a British Airways Boeing 747 in red livery. This glider pilot suffers a rough landing due to excessive speed and pilot-induced oscillation. This is what a cold engine start looks like on an Airbus A320 at minus 28 degrees Celsius, minus 18.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This helicopter crew is forced to abort a landing close to a wildfire as there isn't enough space.
We got the city fire forward here.
Could you put it down right in between the van in there and keep your rotor clear of that?
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at that right now. Do you see anybody?
Yeah, there's a guy with his dog down here.
Same as last target. There's no.
We're gonna have to put the tail rotor into where he's coming, so that's not good.
No.
How is that left side looking to you?
Oh man.
Yeah, this isn't looking good. I'm thinking that I'm going to go nose right, and you tell me what you think. See where that big area is in between all those vehicles?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Could you possibly put your tail rotor kind of in between where the tractor and that is and kind of go nose into it?
Yeah, I think you can. Well, here's the thing. I'm too close to these trucks now.
Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be too tight, Dave.
Okay. I'm gonna go straight up.
All right.
And we'll go with the nose in thing.
Okay, don't come any more left.
Okay.
And go straight forward. Let's go around.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more daily bites of aviation.